install Adobe Photoshop in Windows 10. In this video, I will show you how can you easily install the Adobe Photoshop application on your Windows 10. So without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to search the Adobe Photoshop on your web browser. After you do that, you will see the website. And as you can see, you see no option of downloading it, which means we cannot download this application. We can either buy it or use it for free trial. So I will show you an example by clicking on free trial. Once you click on it, you will see the page with the feature that is included in our subscription. The free trial is only a part of it. Once you choose the option, click on add a 7 free day trial and then click on continue. After that, you will be directed to a page where you are supposed to provide your detail. The step 1 is to enter your email, and the second page will be to provide your payment details. After you do so, you will be able to purchase the free trial and as well as subscription of Adobe Photoshop. And that's all. That is how easily you can get access to Photoshop application in Windows 10. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.